Good day, everyone. I am James Daniel Santorcas from St. Anthony's College, taking up Bachelor of Science in Nursing, a second year nursing student. So, for today, I'm going to discuss the essential equipments in healthcare. Medical equipments: an article, instrument, apparatus, or machine that is used in the prevention, diagnosis, or treatment of illness or disease, or for detecting, measuring, restoring, correcting, or modifying the structure or function of the body for some health purpose. So, what is the importance of medical equipments in the hospitals? Medical equipment is essential in hospitals for accurate diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. Advanced medical equipment improves patient outcomes and reduces mortality rates. Reliable equipment ensures precise monitoring and timely interventions. Hospitals rely on a range of equipment for quality healthcare services. Advancements in technology enhance the efficiency of medical procedures. So here are the different kinds of equipments in healthcare. First is the diagnostic equipment in the hospitals. So we have here X-ray machines. It utilizes controlled radiation to produce detailed images of bones, organs, and tissues. MRI scanners employ magnetic fields and radio waves to create detailed images of internal body structures. Ultrasound machines use sound waves to create real-time images of organs and tissues within the body. These diagnostic tools play a vital role in accurate assessment and diagnosis of various medical conditions in hospitals. Next is monitoring equipment in hospitals. First is the ECG machines. ECG machines monitor the heart's electrical activity, aiding in the diagnosis of heart conditions. Blood pressure monitors, used to measure blood pressure levels, essential for monitoring cardiovascular health. Pulse oximeters measure blood oxygen saturation levels, crucial for assessing respiratory function and oxygenation. These monitoring devices are fundamental in tracking vital signs and ensuring patient well-being in hospital settings. Life support equipment in hospitals. First is the ventilators. It is essential for assisting patients with breathing difficulties by delivering oxygen to the lungs. Defibrillators, used to restore normal heart rhythms in cases of cardiac arrest or arrhythmias. Infusion pumps administer accurate doses of fluids, medications, or nutrients intravenously. Next is the common surgical instruments in the hospitals. First is the scalpel, a sharp knife used for making precise incisions during surgical procedures. Forceps, grasping and holding tool for manipulating tissues and objects during surgery. Surgical scissors, cutting instruments for dissecting tissues and cutting sutures. Retractors, instruments used to hold back tissues and organs for better exposure during procedures. Surgical suction, device for removing blood, fluids, and debris from surgical site. Hemostats, clamping tools to control bleeding by compressing blood vessels. Next is the sterilization equipment for hygiene and infection prevention. First is the autoclaves, It utilizes high-pressure steam to sterilize equipment and instruments, ensuring hygiene and infection control. Ethylene oxide sterilizers, gas sterilization method for heat-sensitive materials to prevent infections. Dry heat sterilizers, sterilization method using heat conduction for materials sensitive to moistures, ensuring hygiene and infection control. Chemical sterilizers utilize specific chemicals like formaldehyde or ozone to destroy microorganisms. UV sterilizers use ultraviolet radiation to disinfect surfaces and prevent the spread of infections. Patient transfer equipment in hospitals. First is the wheelchairs. It provides mobility assistance for patients who can sit and move independently during hospital transfers. Stretchers, used for transporting patients within the hospital, especially for transferring non-ambulatory patients. Patient lifts, assist in transferring patients safely from one location to another, particularly for those with limited mobility. Transfer boards, aiding in transferring patients between services like beds, stretchers, or chairs. Rehabilitation equipment for physical therapy and recovery. First is the exercise balls, versatile tools for stretching, strengthening muscles, improving posture, and preventing back pain. Balance pads help improve balance, stability, and strength during exercises and dynamic movements. Foam rollers aid in reducing muscle pain, increasing range of motion, and improving mobility. Resistance bands, effective tools for resistance training, challenging exercises, and muscle strengthening. So that concludes our presentation. I hope that you learned and have takeaways about hospital or healthcare equipments. So that's all. Thank you.